evening, I would like to say to us, whoever watch this video, maybe you are a less oriented or a confident, whatever you are. So today we are going to talk about the harmful effect of physical fitness. People will say physical fitness is good, right? Right. But actually there are harmful effects of physical fitness. We will covering two aspects. First is underdoing physical fitness and overdoing physical fitness. So underdoing, maybe I will have to Fatia will explain a bit of underdoing physical fitness.
Underdoing physical fitness means that we are not doing much thing about lifting the object or doing exercise. So we lead to the muscle atrophy. Our muscle will decrease in size, like me. No muscle inside, atrophy already. And also can cause accumulations of fat before and after. Okay.
Yeah, because when we do exercise, we will burn energy, and when all our carbohydrates are gone, fat can be burned. So if we are not doing sufficient exercise, we will accumulate more and more fat and become more fatter and fatter and fatter.
So if you in a physical fitness training, you must be consistent. So not today you go to fitness, like you must go until you go. If not, you see the effect. We underdoing will affect our muscle. Our muscle will be accumulate the fat.
In addition to the accumulation of fat, it can be obese. Obesity is the most severe, most critical case in Malaysia. There are a lot of obesity people in Malaysia based on research. So what we have to do is, we must do a constant exercise at least twice a week to actually burn the fat.
Besides the obesity, it also affect the blood circulation. It will affect the heart and pulmonary circulation, and it is happen to Malaysian people because we are very lazy to do exercise. Besides, students maybe busy with their daily routine, so we are lack in exercise, into obesity, fat accumulation. So, because of that, we always easy to feel fatigue. And
Based on one article written by Dominic Toretto, the fat of the inside blood vessel may cause obstruction in the blood vessel. So it will cause blockage or low pressure in the blood vessel. So what happens when there is low blood pressure? So the blood or the oxygenated blood cannot reach all part of our body. So it will cause, for example, weakness. It will cause unenergetic and whatever. So we must remove the fat, especially in our blood system, to avoid this kind of blockage.
I will add something about when you have a blockage in your blood vessel, blood circulation, it will lead to infarction. There is a decrease in flow of blood, and this eventually will cause necrosis, which is death of fat. So you can have many parts of our body that cannot be function well.
That is what I'm doing. For me, there are some Malaysian citizens they do overdoing their physical exercise. For example, athletes, the bodybuilder, they have masculine appearance of their muscle, which is not normal actually. It's muscle hypertrophy.
So when people start to do muscle building, so they need to do that constantly or to maintain their muscle so that the muscle doesn't reduce in So that may lead to overdoing of exercise. So which is what we are discussing now, right? So what are the problems that be caused by overdoing of exercise?
Yeah, if you want to add on point for the muscle, the hypertrophy, right? People tend to take steroid like steroid for muscle building. So it can cause disease for the particular person when he overtaking the steroids. It cause disease for the person.
Just now when Asha talked about the student, they have no time to exercise, busy with class, whatever. Yeah, like for example, like now, actually it's depend on yourself. If you taking out every day, maybe you have no time. But as we from college, we go work every day. It's also a class. We go we just also like an exercise for us. So there's no excuse for us to do not exercise at home. So but don't do under doing, it will affect affect us with the water. So just take your time.
Actually, the overdoing physical fitness is already being trend nowadays.
Yeah.
They want to look very masculine, try to get a girlfriend easily. But all those things can cause the change of body function. For example, we have to take more protein instead of doing. We need to increase the size of the muscle, so we have to take more and lots of protein diet and some of the carbohydrate that can increase fat amount in our body.
Based on one website I read, written by Rosma Binaji, the muscle tear, if we overdoing our muscle or our physical fitness, if the muscle tear, it will take a very long time for the muscle to combine or to be as a normal function. It may take months, it take 1 year or 2 years. Is what happened in the athlete or the soccer player. Right?
So that's why athletes tend to avoid themselves from overdoing the exercise. So they don't get injury that will maybe threaten their career. So
So if you want to do exercise, you must have someone to be an advisor for you, like nutritionist. If exercise needs the advisor for exercise, the consultation, the trainers for the club, so you can refer to them before you doing something. Because you don't know how to start the muscle building. If you cannot suddenly do it harshly, then it can affect your body function. So you might do step by step based on the expertise knowledge.
Besides that, before we do some physical fitness, we need to do some warm up to make sure that our body are ready for the physical fitness and doesn't shock if we do the physical fitness suddenly. And if we doesn't do the warm up, maybe our muscle can be ruptured. Yeah.
You want anything?
Okay, overdoing. Sometimes when we overdo the fitness, it cause us extreme exhaustion. When we exhaust, our immune system found to be decreased. So that's why we have to have an optimum, or we say adequate, not over. Adequate fitness.
The aim of physical fitness is for us to get fit, to be healthy, not overdoing or not underdoing. We must balance both of them. Physical fitness. So, kalian to complete our last next video.
To conclude our last video, I would like to thank you, our colleague, for watching our video from the first week until now. It's been 1 month and 2 weeks since we started
1 month
our
only.
video. So thank you very much for being patient with us. And
By
sorry
the
for
way, we are from group 7.
Group 7. Thank you very much. See you again.
Bye-bye.